Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming the essentials. Router and modem are powered and showing normal lights. Next, check your device's Wi-Fi or Ethernet connection and join the correct network. If uncertain, toggle the adapter off and on. Once connected, shut down any suspect Chrome extensions and close extra tabs that consume bandwidth, then open an incognito window to isolate extensions. This first round removes obvious local blockers, so you can move into targeted fixes without wasting time. Now diagnose network layers. Run the OS Network Troubleshooter and record any error codes to guide the next steps. In Chrome, open NetInternals and clear the host cache to remove stale DNS entries. Once done, flush the OS DNS cache with a simple terminal command. Make sure proxies are disabled in system settings and switch DNS to a reliable server such as 8 if you suspect resolution issues. These steps attack routing and name resolution problems that commonly cause Chrome to say no internet. Finish by restoring Chrome. Reset settings to default, and if needed, reinstall the browser to replace corrupted files. If the problem persists, temporarily disable firewall or antivirus software to check for application-level blocking. Make sure to re-enable protection afterward. Restart your router and install any available firmware updates. If nothing else works, perform a factory reset on the router as a last resort. If you still see errors, note exact messages. Those details guide deeper fixes or ISP support calls.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.